Hey y'all, this video is going to kind of be short and sweet but full of information, so y'all just buckle up, buttercups. Welcome to 4D Farms. I am Tracy. I am the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. I am on my way to pick up my granddaughter in the car rider line, and I can talk and do this at the same and drive at the same time. It is so windy out there, y'all. I swear I thought I was going to be Mary Poppins and get blown away. Anyway, let me go right here right quick. Oh yeah, y'all, it is so windy. This wind has just blown everything away just about. Whew, I had to get something out of my mailbox. Okay, so anyway, y'all, I'm spitting a lot of information out in this video as to help because we're getting close to spring, okay? It is not spring yet, but we're getting there. Y'all, I'm on a back road. It's a little bit jiggly. I'll try to keep it a little, a little not so shaky for you. But, and also, my phone, for emergency reasons, is Bluetooth to my truck. So if you hear a little echo, you'll know what it is. So let's get busy. Let's get to talking. We are fixing to be, it's fixing to legally be spring, you know, when they say, today's the first day of spring. But, y'all, we're getting into spring, okay? And I feel like with all the excitement and all that is already happening, we're starting to lose focus, which means we are getting out of school morning routines, school nighttime routines, and some of it is by our choice and some of it is not, okay? Y'all just be patient with me. I can't look at you all the time and try to drive at the same time. I got to keep my eyes on the road, okay? So just pay attention. I'm going to spit this out there kind of quick, okay? So, y'all all know that some already spring sports has started, okay? Yes, this is not my first rodeo. I went through this with 2 boys and then a year with one of the granddaughters. I know all about that spring sports stuff, y'all. They start when the weather starts breaking and in the spring. And then some of y'all have already been into the winter sports, like basketball. We just got out of basketball, volleyball, you know, the ones that they can do indoors during the winter. Okay, so now it's like practices, ball games are fixing to start. Y'all, I went through this with my boys. This is nothing new. Football practice is fixing to start because they're getting into some little bit warmer weather and they're getting ready to go into the summer months. Football practice during the summer months when school is out. Yeah, I've been there. I had to do that, okay, before my kids started driving. I'm like, this is our summer break. Come on. That's another rabbit hole. Don't get me started on that soapbox. Okay, so my boys played baseball. Okay, they played football. They played, one was in karate, y'all, and I'm going to tell you, karate is not like a seasonal sport. It is all year long. And y'all, our youngest son did this for 8 years. Okay, 2 nights a week, okay, class, 2 hours. Y'all, there was some nights, here's you some tricks if you've got some, tree limbs everywhere. Here's some tricks. Oh, tree down, little bitty tree. Okay, yeah, wind. And here's you some little tricks. Y'all, there was nights that, when we had karate class, there was nights that I was taking my supper and eating it in class. I'd go in a little back room somewhere and I'd eat my supper. And there was some nights that I had to take our grandbaby to karate class with us while my youngest son was in class. And she would be getting hungry and I'd take her supper with me too. And I'd sit back there and spoon feed her, okay? When it's the spring sports, And spring is coming. Everybody's getting excited because now we're able to start doing some things in our gardens, getting them ready. We're doing that. We burn off our garden. We got it disked, tilled. Gonna start keeping it composted, stuff like that, getting it ready to start that spring planting that we can do. I can't do it by myself. That we can do after our last frost. Okay, so my point is, all this springy excitement stuff is coming. Okay, but we're forgetting, and we're getting too relaxed, and we're forgetting our school morning routines. We're forgetting our nighttime routines. And it's beginning to get chaotic again on top of the excitement. And y'all know that's just like, okay? Trouble waiting to happen, okay? We're getting relaxed. Y'all, get back to those morning routines, okay? If you're finding yourself getting chaotic again, unorganized, it's just everybody's running around in the mornings like a chicken with their head cut off. Y'all, come on. Go back to the basics. If you've never even created a morning routine to help you with to make your mornings go smoother, getting ready for school, okay, then I have a video on back to school. Okay, and it's like how to establish a morning routine to get ready for school, and a nighttime routine to get ready for bed at night so the kiddos get a good night's sleep so they can focus and concentrate the next day. Okay, go back and watch that video. All right. I talk about making some breakfasts ahead of time, to where maybe, you can grab something and eat it on the way. Y'all, I have so many tips about back to school routines for the morning time and for the night time. Go catch that video. Let's see. Spring sports is up on us. Okay, where's that little angel harmonious sound? I don't know. Anyway, I don't know how to do that, to insert things, okay? So, y'all, I've been there. I've done that. I've been to those springtime sports, and you do get out of whack. You get out of your routine. Women, get those crock pots back out. Get those Instant Pots out. Make those meals ahead of time. If you're going to make supper one night, double the recipe. Go ahead and bake it, wrap it up, throw it in the freezer, pull it out for another night. Y'all, on practice nights or game nights, if, excuse me, y'all, you're gonna get tired of catching McDonald's every time you get done with practice. That's not healthy, y'all, okay? So, y'all, make a supper time lunchbox, okay? Do like I did. Y'all, I have taken soup in a thermos before to some practices and had my supper, y'all. I'm not kidding. I can eat on the go. I'm no stranger to eating on the go because I had to, okay? Sometimes we weren't getting home till like 8 or 9 o'clock at night. I don't like eating at 8 or 9 o'clock at night and then turning around and having to go to bed. Your food doesn't digest, okay? It causes stomach issues, okay? Then you get hyped up, then you can't go to sleep. So there, hey, take you a breakfast lunchbox, eat on the way to school or to work. Take you a supper lunch box to these ball games. And y'all, you save money on concessions. I do not mean to be ugly. I know that money needs to be raised at these sports, for school purposes. I know this, y'all. But, y'all, we have to look out for us, too. We have to look out for those penny pinching and saving money, y'all. Grab you some supper, throw it in a lunchbox, sit on the bench and eat it. When your kid gets done and he or she gets in the vehicle, they can eat their supper on the way home. Boom, you got supper out of the way. Okay? Little Lunchables. Something, y'all, quick that can still get something in your system, and you've got one thing out of the way before you go home and got to start that nighttime routine to get ready for school. Okay? Now, spring break is coming. I've got traveling hacks. I've got hotel cooking hacks, videos. I have car organization hacks that shows like things that I have in my truck for me when we travel or something, or for my grandkids, okay? How to keep kids busy on the road to where you don't lose your crap, okay? Y'all, I have plenty of videos. Go back and check those out, okay? Traveling, car organization, blah, 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 stuff like that, okay? So y'all, don't forget your routines. Stay focused. We've only got a few months of school left, y'all. Hang in there, please, okay? Don't forget that you still have a family to feed. You still have to put some kind of food on the table or in a lunchbox and eat it when you're out, okay? Get those crock pots out, those instant pots. Make ahead some suppers. Make ahead some breakfast. Y'all, scroll through my videos. I have plenty. When you see something, be sure to shoot me a comment. Don't shoot me, but give me a comment and a thumbs up, like and subscribe, whatever. Share my videos with some of your friends. If you're like, hey, Suzanne, if there's any Suzannes out there, I think she can use this video. She's got like 5 kids, and I know she could use this information. Y'all, I don't care for you sharing my videos, okay? Just don't steal anything for yourself, okay? I'll share all day long. Be sure to check out our blogs, 4D Farms at WordPress.com, 4D Farms at Blogspot.com. Y'all, I have pages up there in the subheaders that you click on those titles, and that is a page that takes you and just talks about that one subject. Homemaking, homeschooling, gardening, all this stuff. Y'all, we're getting into the weather where I'm like wanting to play in the dirt, but I gotta hold off until that last frost, y'all, and it's just killing me because I want to play in the dirt so bad, but I just gotta hang in there, y'all. Don't lose your crap. We've only got a few more months of school left, y'all. Hang in there. Go watch some of those videos if you don't have a morning routine or a bedtime routine. If you do, get back on it. We've only got a few months of school left, y'all. Let's make it through these spring sports, you know, and then let's get to summer break so we can enjoy being with our family and our friends and getting outside and playing. If you've got summer sports, oh Lord help you, you can still take some of these routines, you know, like the take with you ice boxes and coolers and stuff like that, snacks, sitting on the sidelines, sitting on those chairs at the ball fields during those summer tournaments, baseball tournaments. I've been there, y'all. I got a son, older son, started playing baseball when he was 5. We went through all the baseball seasons up to 14 years old. Then he started Pee-wee football. When he was 8, he played football for the next 10 years. He played Pee-wee football, 2 years of junior high, 4 years of Pee-wee, 2 years of junior high, 4 years of high school. Our youngest one played football and karate. Karate was an all-year thing, y'all. I'm no stranger. I'm seasoned. This ain't my first rodeo. I got tips for y'all. All you got to do is check out my videos. I am almost there. I need to get off this phone. I hope y'all have a great day. Get those planners out, get back on those routines, and hang in there, y'all. We don't have much time left. I've got so many videos coming up for y'all. You would not believe how many videos. There's cooking videos involved. There's fun videos. There's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I got a bunch of stuff for y'all, okay? Stay tuned, okay? You don't want to miss it, okay? I will catch y'all in the next video. See you later.